Good day everyone, so welcome back to my channel. In this video, as you notice, we have here the quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Next to it is the quadratic formula. X is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. In this video guys, our objective is to derive this equation so that we can come up to this formula, and we know that this formula was derived from this equation. So, proceed tayo sa ating solution. So, ang ating quadratic equation ay ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. First step natin guys ay subtract both sides by c para mawala yung c sa left side. So, matitira na lang ay ax squared plus bx is equal to negative c. At ang ating next step guys ay to get rid this a in our first term, ax squared. So, divide na natin both sides by a. So, maka-cancel siya, di ba? Ang matitira na lang ay x squared plus b over a x is equal to negative c over a. So, ito natira guys, di ba? So, sa next step natin guys, dito na papasok yung ating tinatawag na completing the square. Ang formula ay b over 2 squared or b multiply to 1/2 squared. Ang b, makikita natin yan guys sa katabi ng x. Katulad sa ating quadratic equation. Makikita natin siya yung b katabi ng x natin. So, dito sa equation natin guys, ang b is itong b over a. So, para makuha natin guys yung i-complete the square, gawin natin itong formula to. b, ang ating b ay b over a multiply to 1/2 squared is equal to b over 2a squared is equal to b squared over 4a squared. So, yung kinalabasan nito guys, yung sagot nito sa completing the square natin, dadagdag na natin dito sa equation na to. So, x squared plus b over a x plus b squared over 4a squared. Para di natin malabag guys yung rules sa mathematics na kasi meron tayong equal sign, di ba? So, equal yan, left and right side. Kung ano yung dinagdag natin, yun din dadagdag natin sa kabila. Kung may binawas tayo, may babawas din tayo. Kung ano ginawa natin sa kabila, ganun din dapat gawin natin sa kabila. So, dagdag din natin dito sa kabila yung b squared over 4a squared minus c over a. So, notice natin guys na yung mga terms na nasa left side ay perfect square trinomial. Gagawin na natin siyang square of binomial. Ang square of binomial, may formula tayo na quantity x plus y squared equals to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. So, ang kalalabasan nito ng ating perfect square trinomial ay quantity x plus b over 2a squared. Bakit b over 2a na lang? Or bakit x plus b over 2a squared na lang? I-prove natin guys na pag in-expand natin to, lalabas pa rin itong ating perfect square trinomial. So, expand natin. Naka-squared siya. So, ibig sabihin lang yan, ang binomial natin is multiply lang sa sarili niya. So, using FOIL method guys, mas-simplify natin to. FOIL method is first, outside, inside, and the last. So, using FOIL method, x times x equals x squared plus x times b over 2a x, and then plus b over 2a multiplied to x then plus b over 2a multiply to b over 2a is equal to b squared over 4a squared. And then, pansin natin na paras yung terms ng second and third. Pwede natin pagsamahin yan guys. So, bali, may coefficient tayong 1 dito sa b. Katabi ng b, may coefficient tayong 1 dyan. So, 2b over 2a x plus b squared 4a squared. Simplify natin yung second term natin guys. Bali, magkalalabas ng I, x squared, makakancel tong 2. Titira na lang ib over a x plus b squared over 4a squared. So, ayan. Na-prove natin guys na ang square binomial ng perfect square trinomial natin ay ito nga. So, proceed tayo guys. Tuloy tayo sa ating solution. Next step natin guys ay simplify lang natin yung nasa right side. Pagsasamahin lang natin. Pansin natin na magkaiba yung kanilang denominator. So, kunin natin yung kanilang LCD. At alam natin yung LCD na 4a squared at saka a ay 4a squared. So, 4a squared. 4a squared divided by 4a squared is equal to 1 times b squared is equal to b squared. 4a squared divided by a, the answer is 4a, multiply to c, the answer is negative 4ac. Next step natin guys, tatanggalin na natin yung squared sa kabila. So, square root natin both sides. Makakancel na yung squared sa kabila. Ang matitira na lang ay x plus b over 2a is equal to, so, kung kumukuha tayo ng square root sa kabila guys, magkakaroon tayo ng plus or minus na sign. So, square root ng ating numerator is equal to square root of b squared minus 4ac. Square root ng 4a squared yung sa ating denominator equals to 2a. Kasi 2a times 2a is equal to 4a squared. Then, next step natin guys, subtract natin both sides by b over 2a. Subtract natin. So, ang kalalabasan guys, makakancel tong b over 2a kasi sinubtract natin. So, matitira ay x is equal to negative b over 2a plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Simplify natin since parehas yung kanilang denominator, pwede natin silang pagsamahin para maging isang fraction na lang. So, 2a kanilang denominator. Pagsamahin natin, magiging b, negative b plus or minus square root ng b squared minus 4ac. So, yun guys, na-prove natin na itong formula ay na-derive natin at nanggaling siya sa ating quadratic equation na ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So, guys, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. You can share this to others, and if you learned something from this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more updates on my next video. So, thank you guys and see you on my next video.